Hey guys, it's Robert here with Wonder Off-Road. Before we get into today's adventure, please like, comment, and subscribe. So our trip today led us up to Lido Creek. This was a great local spot for us over here in Southern California. It's close enough to home, so that was what made it more inviting for us to come up here and just have fun exploring for the day. Now, this being in our backyard, it can lead to just some great times. Now, I got complacent today, and I end up paying a big price for it. Now pay attention to that bush right there on the right. I couldn't see it from my angle.
It was at this moment that he knew. He fucked up.
Now I know what you're thinking. Why did you not avoid that bush? And I stick to my story. The bush jumped out in front of me. Well, that bush was a lot more stiffer than I thought it would be. And unfortunately, it put a significant size hole in my radiator and condenser. Now, normally I'm a very prepared person, but I don't know anybody out that goes out off-roading that carries an extra radiator in the back pocket. So we put together a plan, figured out where the nearest auto parts store was at, and we just got to work. Now I want to give a big shout out to my friends Bayou and Robert over here. They really helped out with the MVPs of today's event. And before I knew it, Bayou had returned with the radiator, and we got to work reinstalling the new one. And before we knew it, we were all done. We drove a little bit, make sure, stop to check the fluids one last time before hitting the highway and going back home. I'll tell you what, this is an adventure for the record books. Also, if you guys like this content, please like, comment, and subscribe. Let's help this channel grow. Also, we do have merchandise for sale. Check out the link on Spring. We have t-shirts, sweatshirts, hats, and mugs. Thank you guys once again. This is Robert with Wonder Off-Road, signing off.